In this video, let's quickly take a look at the way that you split a transaction inside of YNAB. Now, if you have multiple transactions from a single payee, YNAB provides you the option of splitting those transactions. To do that, let's quickly head over to the app of YNAB and then just tap on the transactions button. Now here you'll need to select the payee that you're paying to. After you selected your payee, you'll also need to select your category in which this expense is going to go to, and also select the date when you want to make this payment. Either you want to schedule this payment or make the payment straight away, depending upon what you need. Once you select your category and the payee, you'll have the option called split on the bottom of this page. Just scroll down and tap on the split option. Once you've now tapped on the splits option, you'll need to choose from different categories where you want to split this particular bill. So just tap on the plus icons and add in the categories that you want. Add in your categories and then add in the amount right here. And then once that is complete, you just need to tap on done on the bottom right. This way, from a single transaction inside of YNAB, you can create split transactions for multiple accounts. So that was the process on the way that you split transactions inside of YNAB. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up.